I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me. I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. On some faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining?
Good morning, beautiful people. I know y'all probably looking at me like, what? This girl up here looking like Harriet Tubman's daughter. But today's video is gonna be a little bit different. Today is Monday, March 14th, and it's just in case y'all don't believe me, 6:51 a.m. and I just got out the shower. So that's why I'm looking like a shiny penny and my hair is all frizzy and stuff because my hair reacts to moisture. I was in a hot ass shower for a little minute. So of course now I'm looking like an Afro puff. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. All my links and everything will be down below. And let's just get straight into this natural hair video. First time ever, first time for everything. I don't normally style my natural hair on here. Y'all already know that. Let me plug this in. Because I usually just wear my wigs, but I'm getting tired of that. Like, I'm getting tired of the wigs back to back to back to back to back. So I just said, since I had took my braids out like 2-3 days ago and washed and deep conditioned my hair, after I took off that red wig that I had, I just said, let me just style my hair, wear it out for a little while, let my hair breathe, because I'm going with more of like a less is more approach. I'm tired of doing all the extra. Not that it's extra because I like doing what I do, but it's just like, I want to start treating my natural hair a little bit more better, and when it comes to just caring for it and stuff like that, I'll probably just put my hair in like a low bun or something like that, because I normally just wear my hair in a high bun, low bun, or some type of bun or ponytail whenever my hair is not in wigs, because I stopped perming my hair, and I definitely don't do washing sets anymore because my hair is not permed. So once I leave the chair and walk outside, my hair is I'm not spending $50 for me to walk out the chair and look how I came in. So I just don't know what I want to do with my natural hair. I'm in between the stage of just, do I want to perm it again and just keep doing my slick back buns and keep doing my wigs and stuff like that, or if I just want to like chop it off and start over, since I always wear wigs anyway, and just leave my hair short for a little while. It's like, I really don't know what I want to do. So yeah, since my natural hair right now is like mad freaking fluffy, because I just got out the shower, I'm gonna use this straightening brush that I got off of Amazon. And this, if you have thick hair, is a lifesaver, because girl, it's just a brush. All you gotta do is comb through the hair. So I'm just gonna do a couple passes through this so that the middle of my hair is not as puffy, because like I said, I just got out the shower and my hair definitely reacts to moisture. So the girls who get it, the girls that don't. And there might be some flakes and stuff on my hair because I just had some Eco Style gel in my hair yesterday. If you guys have any good products that you guys think may help me with keeping this thick ass hair slick down, like when I say slick, I mean slick, then comment it down below, because I could just perm my hair again. It's like, I could just perm it or whatever. And you know, just wear my slick buns like that. But then I'm just like, I don't know if I want to go through the whole perming my hair stuff again. So I don't know. But I just said, why not come show y'all how I do my low buns. Like, I need something that's gonna like hold my hair. It's too hot for this sweater. Just too hot for that sweater. So back to dealing with this annoying ass hair. So now I'm about to just put scrunchies in there just to hold the place, because if I don't, I'm gonna be here all day. I'm about to put some Got To Be all around my edges, because this besides edge control, is probably the only thing that'll hold my hair, being that my hair is not firmed. And the only reason why I didn't go through and just like section it off first and then try to lay each part down, because I really don't want that much gel and stuff in my hair anyway. Like do you see how my hair just ate that product though? It's sick. That's how I know I just need to perm my damn hair again, because Lord, I usually just put this on my edges to slick everything back. Like this. Ooh. Put my hair in a bun in a second. Just take a comb. And I usually just twist the bun around. I'll take another scrunchie and go on top. And voila. And now I'm just going to use some of the rest of this whack ass gel and just swoop some baby hairs. That's another reason why I like to just keep something tied around my head, because it keeps my edges laid flat, like regardless of what's on my hair. Like you can see the waves here, like come on, no waves here, mad waves back here. Like that's how you know my hair just fucking annoying. But yeah, so this is how I achieve a low bun or natural thick ass hair. Okay, so since my hair was so daggone wavy at the ponytail part, I just put my scarf on it just to try and keep it down for a little bit so that it's not all over the place. So this is how crazy I'm looking right now. So I'm about to just use the edge brush and do my sideburns, cause when you got long ass sideburns like me, you gotta do something to it or it's just gonna look crazy. Like look how far down these shits come. And I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side. And give me some damn black gel and stuff, especially if I'm not gonna perm my hair. But yeah, so I'll probably just leave this scarf on my head for like 5 or 10 more minutes and then I'll take it off. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you guys want to see more natural hair videos, because they'll get better, because trust me, I'm putting something in this head so that I could get these roots, like, so my hair could just be snatched and sleek all the time, because I can't do it with the thickness. Like, that's why I was perming my hair before, but I was losing my curl pattern, so I wasn't really fucking with it. But something gotta give, because I don't know how y'all natural girls just do it. Just do it. I can't. But what I am about to do real quick is put some clips on the hairs that are flying everywhere. So I just got 2 regular big ass clips. And I'm about to put these in my hair. But yeah, this is literally how my hair about to look. I'm not about to mess with it no more. No more at all. This shit in its entirety of why I don't like wearing my natural hair out. Because everybody in the middle always asks me, oh, why you never wear your hair out? Oh, I like when you... Are you gonna come do my hair every day? Because when I wake up and get out the shower, I'm gonna have to do that every single day. Especially if I have no perm or nothing in my hair. So, I don't know. But yeah, I'm about to just throw on my biotin oil on top real quick again. And that's it. I'm leaving it just like this. I ain't messing with it no more. But since it's so early, I might do another video later on today. It's only 7:20 and I'm up. But I gotta run to physical therapy really fast and then come back. But this video will be up today. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see more natural hair videos, make sure you guys let me know. Comment it down below. Tell me what type of videos you guys want to see. And I'll probably see you guys later on today. If I come back with another video. But for the natural girls, comment some tips and tricks down below. Especially if you got thick hair like me. Because I need something, okay? I need something. So... I didn't really do anything. I just raised the bun up a little bit higher because I felt like it was just a little bit too low on my head. The clips are still in there and stuff like that. But I just had to move that bun up a little higher because, girl, it's bad enough that it should be sitting on the back of my head. So, yeah. This is my bun. Till I get the products that I need to really slick that shit down like I like. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.